Welcome back, folks. We have a nice dip going on in the market right now. I got a couple of these altcoins that I've been talking about. Some of the 1000x altcoins that I have dipped. You guys have some buying opportunities. I would go light because of what's happening to BTC right now. But yes, let's get right into this because these plays can make you rich if you buy them at the right time, guys. All right, without further ado, diving right into this bad boy. I pulled the wrong thing out. Yeah. Here we go. Make my face smaller. All right, guys, what are we looking at today? What did I buy today? I bought more. Chain of Legends has dipped back heavy. I bought a little bit of a Winter Protocol. I bought a little bit of Aventus as well, guys. But look at this one right here. Look at the 1 day. We're down 17% on the day on Chain of Legends. We are 17% on the week, guys. Like, it really hasn't moved much. It's a very stable coin, pretty much. But this dip, I don't even know why it dipped. I think some people were taking some profits. Honestly, guys, look at it. This is a monstrous dip that we have right now, guys. And this brought us back to this level. I bought a ton at the 32s and the 34 level today, and I wanted to let you guys know about it. As you can see, I've fully reloaded my position. I think there's a little bit more squeeze left in Bitcoin before Bitcoin comes down. Nonetheless, this was a nice dip. It was a heavily anticipated dip. This thing hadn't dipped the entire time that Bitcoin was pumping. Now this thing has dipped. How much did I buy, guys? I want to show you guys how much I bought right here. I bought at 9.15. I bought some at 34. I bought 50,000 tokens. And then when I watched it dip a little bit later, around 11.35, 32.88, guys. I picked up 140,000 tokens at the 32.88 mark. Now we're back at the 35s. So what about, I'm kind of profit on this one right here a little bit, and a profit altogether. Remember, we got back in this back in November, guys. This is a really good project. I play this game every single day, guys. This is a play to earn game. I built a bunch of lands. I have an iron mine, stone mine. I have a whole army now. I'm taking that army out for adventures and stuff, and I get rewarded in more tokens, guys. I'm earning tokens inside of the game. I know it's not much yet, but as you build up, as your army gets bigger, as you're able to fight more, and by the way, it only takes a couple minutes a day. I play it like 10 or 20 minutes a day, and I'm making free tokens out of this bad boy. And you use the tokens in order to build up your army. So the fact I was able to buy these tokens so cheap gives me the opportunity to kind of become a whale in this project a little bit here. I'm very, very high conviction on this project. Please do your own research, though. Of course, it's risky. It's going to be way more risky than buying like AVAX or Solana or Near Protocol or these other projects that I'm looking at that I'd love to get into for the long term. But if you are looking for the potential 1000x gain, like where you could take $1,000 and maybe turn it into $1 million, if this game actually blew up, 1000x is possible. That isn't the actual market cap. If we wanted to go over here, the actual market cap is below 200K now, guys. So what does that mean? What does that mean? I love to show you guys what that actually means. 192,000, whatever. Times 1000x would put it at 192 million market cap. And can it go there? Perhaps. I mean, it's a very well played game. They have 230,000 active players on this game. Perhaps it could go there, guys. But let's be conservative and say 100x. You know, you take a zero out of this bad boy. That's only a 19 million market cap, guys. Really. And 19 million isn't that high. The gaming narrative is supposed to be massive, supposed to be huge. This thing really had a ton of pump potential. It went all the way up. And now you see, you guys have gotten a buying opportunity. You see, I was buying right down here. I was buying levels that we haven't seen in 2 weeks. We haven't seen these levels in 2 weeks, guys. And like I said, I mean, this is a big dip that we got here, guys. I picked up a lot of tokens back in the 31 area before it rode up here, and I sold it not at the top, but I sold it around the 50 mark. At around like 49, I sold this bad boy because I thought it was going to be rejected at the 50, which it went a little bit over the 50 to 52. Since then, we've been consolidating, and now we've got this surprising dip. I think just a bunch of whales sold this bad boy right here. And maybe not. Who knows what the heck happened? But I know that projects that I like, I'm loading back up on those projects when I get the opportunity to buy into those projects. All right, guys. And if you wanted to know more about that project, I definitely have a lot more videos on here about that project. I love to talk about the other ones real quick, though, because I want to get this video out before these pump back up here. Now, Aventus, I bought a little bit of Aventus today, guys. I didn't buy a lot of Aventus because, I don't know, it's starting to look dumpy. It's okay. It's okay. It doesn't look that bad. On the month, We're still up 225% on the month. Maybe this is just a well-needed dip right here, guys. I don't know. At 115K market cap, I'm being very cautious with this one right now. It's a less high conviction play. Yesterday I mentioned this project. It was a little bit of a higher price. So I'm going to mention it again today because this is a great buying opportunity. Where did I buy it? I bought around like the 29 area. Where did it go? Yeah, the 29 area. So we hit the 29 area 3 times. When I bought in, it was around the 29 area. How much did I buy? I didn't buy a lot, guys. I really didn't buy a lot. I had very little of this that I kind of sold a bunch out of it, bought back into it a little bit, bought like $200 worth of this one, and then I bought like $100 worth of this one. Just dollar cost averaging. Really, I wanted to come to you guys and let you guys know that these ones are on sale right now, if you so choose, if this is an investment that you guys want to get into. This one's down 12% today. This one's down 17% today. So these are nice dips, and that's even while Bitcoin was up. So be weary of that if Bitcoin flushes as we're expecting, these projects could come back down some. So that's why I'm only buying little bits right now. We reached over this level a little bit. We could make it like to this level before getting a rejection, and then maybe like wiggle our way down. And then, you know what I mean? Like we could do something like that. We could either do that or we'll do this, or we'll do this. We'll fail, come test it, turn this into support right here, and then we're off. But I don't think that this is where all-time highs will break. I really think that, if anything, this will just be a double top, which is definitely a confirmed reversal signal right here. And on a longer-term time frame, Bitcoin is bearish. You know what I mean? Like if you thought, in the next month or two, Bitcoin would be bearish, right, guys? Like, so right now on the short term, we might be bullish, but on the long term, we're thinking like this thing's gotta potentially get rejected at either this level, or this level right here, guys. That's what we're expecting. So I wouldn't load too heavy on too many altcoins right now, guys, because Bitcoin dominance is high. And as long as Bitcoin dominance is high, that means when Bitcoin dumps, all those altcoins are going with it. Maybe not all of them, but most of them. Almost all of them. You know what I mean? Winner Protocol, down 5% on the day. I picked up a little bit of this one right here. Like I said, I only bought $100 worth. Dollar cost averaging into this one. I would have bought more of this one because it's at an 8 million market cap. But one thing that I did notice is that according to this, it's a higher market cap, 26 million. I don't like that one bit. I really don't. The liquidity is so low, and I don't know if Dex Tools is correct with this total market cap right here. Let's look at this right here. So in here it says it's an 88 million fully diluted with 8 million regular market cap right here. If you look over here, this is 27 million and that is 28 million. So what is it, guys? What really is it? 99 Dex score. Honeypot disagreement. I don't like that. I know it's not a honeypot. I mean, like I didn't get rugged. You know what I mean? Mintable. See that one right there says that it's a honeypot right there. I guess they only have 2 audits done. All the risks. So for the most part, this is a good one right here, guys. And another one that I'm looking at is BoxBet. Looking at BXBT. BXBT I'm looking at. The thing that I'm waiting for BoxBet, because it's up 18% today. I should have bought in. I didn't buy in. 99 Dex score. What I didn't like is the buy and sell tax, guys. What the hell? 5% buy and sell tax? Tax modifiable. So that's messed up. I mean, like maybe they modified it and added that tax in there, but everybody believes that that is the tax. So be prepared for that if you guys were going to buy into BoxBet. Oh God, look at this. Look at all this. You know, I know a guy on here that's recommending this project. It looks kind of good as a project. A lot of people are buying into this bad boy right here, but I really don't like all the audit errors that we got there. But yeah, this is what I added. Chain of Legends, Winner Protocol, Aventus, Metaverse. Definitely research all of it. Do not take my word for it. I'm not a financial advisor. This is your money. You have to be safe with your money. But 2 of these are below a 200K market cap. 200K. That's 115K. And this one's 192K, guys. So that's where we're at right now. That's what I've got for you guys. I'm going to let this video out because I want you guys to have an opportunity to look at these projects while they're on this dip. This thing is actually rebounding meanwhile because it was down 17. Now it's only down 15. So I got to stop rambling, get the video out, let you guys look at this. Chain of Legends is my highest conviction play out of all 3 of these. Winner Protocol is probably the safest play out of all 3 of these. But when you look at the market cap of Winner Protocol, I just don't know about the upside. Like, really, like, how much upside? You know, I thought this could have been a 100x play. It could have been a 100x play at an 8 million market cap, but when you look at this, that's like a 10x play. It's like a 10x. You know what I mean, guys? Or like a 20, 30, maybe a 40x. I don't know. But for the risk versus reward, like if I was going to risk this much on a project, especially that has like audit errors, honeypot errors and stuff like that, perhaps I'd want like a 100x potential. You know what I mean, guys? So that's where I'm at right now with this. If I wanted a 10x, I would go buy AVAX, because AVAX is almost a for sure thing. This isn't a for sure thing. So smash that like button if you got some value, guys. And shout out to my sponsor, Apex. If you use my link down below, you guys are going to save 71%, and you guys can get funding in as little as just a few days. In just a few days, you guys can get funded with $300,000 worth of trading capital. So take what you will from that, guys. Now is your chance. If you think you're a good trader, if you want to try to trade for a prop firm, this is a great opportunity. It's a great deal right now. Hit my link down below and check it out. And until next time, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Have an amazing day.